Hey nerds! Welcome back to Nerd Getting Fit, where we turn fitness into the ultimate adventure. Today, we're diving into the most important part of your fitness journey, staying motivated. Because, let's be real, starting is easy, but staying consistent, that's where the real challenge begins. Think of this as your bonus quest, a power-up to keep you going when the grind gets tough. Here's the thing. Fitness isn't just about hitting goals. It's about building a lifestyle. And to do that, you need to stay motivated even when you don't feel like it. But don't worry, I've got some epic strategies to help you keep leveling up. Let's talk about how to stay inspired, overcome setbacks, and keep crushing your fitness goals. First, let's talk about your why. Why did you start this journey? Was it to feel stronger, have more energy, or maybe just to fit into that cosplay outfit for Comic-Con? Whatever your reason, write it down and keep it somewhere you can see it every day. Your why is your ultimate power-up. It's what keeps you going when things get tough. Next, let's gamify your progress. As nerds, we love achievements, progress bars, and leveling up. So why not bring that into your fitness journey? Set small, achievable goals and reward yourself when you hit them. For example, complete 10 workouts and treat yourself to a new game or some nerdy merch. It's like unlocking loot for your real-life character. Here's the truth. Every great hero faces challenges. There will be days when you don't feel like working out, when progress feels slow, or when life gets in the way. But that's all part of the grind. Remember, every rep, every step, every drop of sweat is making you stronger. Embrace the grind, because that's where the magic happens. Heroes don't go on quests alone. They have a party. Surround yourself with people who support your journey, whether it's friends, family, or an online community. Join a fitness group, share your progress, and celebrate each other's wins. Accountability and encouragement can make all the difference. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your wins, big or small. Whether it's completing your first workout, hitting a new personal best, or just showing up consistently, every step forward is worth celebrating. Fitness is a journey, not a race. Take pride in how far you've come and keep pushing forward. Remember, nerds, fitness is a lifelong adventure. Stay motivated, keep leveling up, and never stop chasing your goals. Before you go, let's make a deal. You hit that like button, subscribe, and join the Nerd Getting Fit community, and I'll keep bringing you epic content to help you crush your goals. Deal? Deal. Oh, and don't be a stranger. Drop a comment below and introduce yourself. What's your favorite nerdy hobby? And how are you staying fit? Let's turn this channel into the ultimate guild for nerds who lift. See you next time. Stay awesome. Stay motivated. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest source of motivation? Let's inspire each other.